Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of beach decor with a focus on the Tatuo 3-pieces surfboard wall hanging signs. If you're looking to add a touch of coastal charm to your living space, this might just be the perfect choice for you. These surfboard wall decorations come in a set of 3, each showcasing vibrant summer beach patterns. Made from durable wood, they promise longevity without fading or breaking easily. Each sign measures approximately 11.81 by 3.31 by 0.2 inches, making them ideal for hanging on doors, walls, or even as welcoming entrance signs. Let's talk about what makes these surfboard wall signs stand out. Firstly, their sturdy construction ensures they'll last for seasons to come. The designs, featuring Hawaiian tropical themes like hibiscus flowers and sea turtles, bring a relaxing, beachy vibe to any room. Whether you're decorating a beach house, a poolside area, or just want to infuse some summer spirit into your home, these signs are versatile. They come ready to hang with convenient hooks, ensuring easy installation without damaging your walls or doors. If you're wondering why this is the best surfboard decor available, it's not just about the aesthetic appeal. It's about the quality materials, the attention to detail in design, and the ability to instantly transform your space into a coastal retreat. To wrap it up, the Tatuo 3-pieces surfboard wall hanging signs are a fantastic choice for anyone looking to enhance their home with a bit of beach-inspired charm. With their durable build, attractive designs, and easy installation, they're a must-have for your summer decor arsenal. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy decorating!